Hello, and welcome to the third lesson of our Information Technology Specialist series. And today we'll still be evaluating expressions to identify the data types Python assigns to variables. And I would like you to imagine you planning your best friend's birthday party. So you need to keep track of a few important details like their names. So maybe the name, and we look at the age. Then we also look at the theme of the party. So instead of writing these one by one and assigning it some values, we'll have this in a long and repetitive way. So Python allows us to assign multiple pieces of information in a neat single line, which is called multiple assignment. Then we will later advance to look at the F strings. So if the name is, let's say, Fifi, and the age is, let's say, 18, and the theme of the party is, let's say, Faoma IT training services. So instead of writing them individually, we can do multiple assignments. So name is, okay, so the name, we can have name, then a comma, age, comma, and a theme, which will now be assigned the values Fifi, okay, then the age is 18, and the theme, in our case, is Faoma IT training services, like this. So in one single code, we've been able to assign three different values to our variables. And that is what we will be doing. Okay? So don't go anywhere. Stay glued to your screen. Okay, let me erase this. Give me a second. We don't want that messing with our data. Okay. So that you can clearly see what I have on my screen. So multiple assignments allows you to assign values to multiple variables simultaneously in one line of code, as I demonstrated earlier. So we have gate door being equal to 51 and 20, or you can put them in a bracket, gate door, then 51, comma 20. So in this example, gate has been assigned 51 and the value, and door is also assigned the value what 20. It's as simple as that. So in Python, you can assign a single value to multiple variables simultaneously, which can be done. So this allows you to initialize several variables at once, which you can reassign later in the program, either manually or through user input. So our gate, door, kitchen, they've all been assigned the value 3. Okay. Then we also need to note that multiple assignment in Python is strict about unpacking the given iterable. So if you try to unpack a larger iterable into fewer variables, it will result in an error. So you have gate, door, and you should have assigned 1 and 2. But if you add a third value, then you're going to get an error. So this is just what that means. Okay, so let's see how we can introduce the F string. So I'm going to do it this way. Where is it? Yeah, this is it. And we're going to demonstrate that. So with a name given, so name, so the name, we have the age, then we can have the theme in one single code. So the name, let's say, is Augusta. Yeah. The age, let's say is 25, and the theme is superheroes, like that. So from our previous example, if you want to print it in one line of code where we use concatenation, this is how it's going to be like. So print, so I will say that my name is, so there should be a space. So plus, I create a space. So my name is, then Augusta, which is the name variable, okay, plus, so my name is Augusta, then there should be a space, right, after the Augusta. I then plus I am, so there should be a space after the I am age 25. The age is an integer, so we need to convert it into a string. I am 25 years, so there should be a space after the 25. So 25 years old, and there should be another space after that. You see how cumbersome this is. I am 25 years old, then attending there. So there should be a space after that there. Superheroes. So superheroes is what theme, right? Party. So there should be a space after the theme. Then party, like that. Then I'll hit enter. Then you say it will print this out for me. Look at the trouble we went through to get this. But if we are to use the F string, we just say print. Then we bring our F string. Then what do? We just type, my name is Augusta. So the name variable will be called. So we need to put it in a what? In a curly bracket. So my name is Augusta. Okay. Then we say that I am 25 years. So the age, we put that in a curly bracket. I am 25 years old, like that. Then we bring our space, attending the, then we need the theme, which is the superhero. So we put a theme in there. Then I'll add my party. I'll close it. I'll hit it. I'll print. Then I get the same thing. So why don't you learn how to use the F string instead of all these messy concatenations, plus, 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 plus. And I believe this is okay for you. Well done. So an F string or formatted string literal is a feature in Python that allows you to embed expressions inside string literals using curly braces. So the expressions are evaluated at runtime and formatted using the string format. F strings are prefixed with the letter F or F, so small f or capital F. So there's an example name, Augusta, age 32, height 5.2. So if you are using the F string, that's what you're going to get. So F string, then the name, then we put the variable name in curly bracket, the age in curly bracket, the height. Then you can print this by closing it with another, inverted commas. So this can be a variable that you've defined using this, and then you can print that. So in this example, the variables name, age, and height are embedded within the string using curly braces, and their values are inserted into the resulting strings. It's as simple as that. So using an F string or a formatted string literal here, notice the F in the print statement. So name Fifi, age 20. So print F. So his name is, then you put the variable's name in a curly bracket, and he is age years old. So once you have this, you are good to go. No more concatenations, yeah? So do this yourself. Create three variables and assign them the values of 20, 30, 40 using one line of code. And you know how to do that. Create a multiple assignment operator and create three key or value pairs using the following values. So Fifi 35, Augusta 32, Efiba to print using an F string. So try and do this yourself. Then you also create three variables and assign them the values of 20, 30, 40 using one line of code. So this is how you're going to do it, but please avoid using just a single letter for variable names because that's not the rule here. And create a multiple assignment operator. So name one age one. So we are doing multiple assignment like this. Name two age two, name three age three. Then you can use the F string, print name one is age 1 years old. You get it? Good. So thank you for staying through to the end of the lesson, and I will encourage you to keep practicing. If you've not subscribed to the channel, kindly do so. And if you're looking at getting certified at the end of the series, I'll show you where to get your vouchers. So your vouchers, you can go visit my website at fittsgh.net/shop, where you find all the vouchers you need for your exams. Thank you for staying. Blessings.